Hello everyone, welcome back to Elasticsearch Unlocked. Today we'll be looking into how to install Elasticsearch on your device, and I will be walking you through a step-by-step guide for a beginner-friendly installation. So you will learn here how to download, install and run Elasticsearch on your PC and confirm its functionality. So what are the prerequisites for this process or for this lesson? So you should first of all have a functional PC, that is, this could be Windows or Linux, a proper and strong internet connection, enough disk space on your PC, and mind you, there are no Java requirements for installation here because while you install Elasticsearch, Java SDK is pre-installed. So the first step in starting this installation is to visit the Elasticsearch website. So just go to the Google search engine and use the URL on your screen. Navigate to the provided link here to access the download page. So choose the appropriate download zip file, that is, you should choose the zip file or the TAR file based on your operating system. So for those that are using Windows, it's clearly stated on the website. You will see a blue button. You really need to click the button and get the zip file downloaded. So like I said, select the appropriate operating system for Windows, Linux or Mac OS. The next step is to extract the files. So locate the downloaded file, zip file on your PC. So this should be in the location where you have downloaded it. So it is advisable when you're downloading, I think you should just leave the default process because the file is going to be downloaded into the C drive. Okay, so just make sure that the file is in the C drive location to avoid complications. So right click to extract the file where it is downloaded and just place it on the C drive. Then the next step is launching your Elasticsearch either on Windows, Mac, OS or Linux. So the step involved here is to double click on the Elasticsearch .bat file inside the bin folder of your extracted Elasticsearch directory. So you could also use your command line to navigate to where this particular folder is downloaded using the command prompts. So you simply just have to cd into the path where the Elasticsearch is being downloaded, then you cd into the bin, then you run the command elasticsearch.bat, which is the binary file. The Elasticsearch program is stored or placed. So verify the instance, Elasticsearch instance, by simply using the HTTP localhost 9200 on your browser to see the JSON file details. So in case you are done with all the process, to simply stop the Elasticsearch, you should use Ctrl+C+ in the command prompt to terminate the process. Well, mostly when you are done, it's rare to find yourself doing this, but just in case you want to, you can simply just do Ctrl+C and the process is going to be terminated. So yeah, I've mentioned this. Yeah, for the verification of the Elasticsearch, you simply have to open your browser and go to the specified URL, which is the 9200. So the expected output on your browser should be a JSON file with a clustered information within it. So this will include the screenshot of the expected JSON output of the Elasticsearch. So you will find the cluster name, you'll find the program name, and some other details that are required for your Elasticsearch to be running. And just in case there are issues or you need to troubleshoot, make sure that the port 9200 is in use. So if not, you should stop the instance and probably restart it again. Are you stuck? Why? during the process, you should restart your PC and rerun again. Another alternative is to close the command prompt. Okay, for those that are using Windows, and for those that are using Mac, you simply also same process, but there's a slight difference when it comes to running the command. So it could also be the firewall issue. So allow Elasticsearch in your Windows Defender if your Windows Defender is default or doesn't allow it doesn't allow Elasticsearch to run. You simply have to navigate to the settings or to the Windows Defender to allow this process on. So stopping Elasticsearch, like I said, is simply Control C+ in the terminal, and the process is going to be terminated. So what's next? So our next lesson is going to be on introduction to Kibana. Kibana is Elasticsearch, like a visualization system that enables you to see data that Elasticsearch processes and how to also visualize the data itself, to present the data in a more engaging and accurate format. So we'll also be looking at indexing, like data indexing in Elasticsearch. We'll be doing some querying of your first Elasticsearch document. You'll be looking into data injection, pipeline injection, and data manipulation. So these and many other Elasticsearch processes are what we are going to be looking at in our next lecture. Go to Elasticsearch official website by clicking on the link, or you come here and click on the first link, download. So now you're on this page. So in this page, you will see a blue button. Click on the blue button for the download. The download to start. Now the file is being downloaded to your PC. After downloading the file from the Elasticsearch website, now you can unzip the file by simply clicking on it and extract all the file. Let's wait while it's extracting. So you should extract, or we should extract it to a C drive. Okay, always extract to C drive, so to avoid complication, then click select folder, then extract. Now it will get extracted to the C folder. After this has been done, you simply go to the folder. Now we should go to launch the Elasticsearch. Simply right click on the folder. Okay, open in terminal. Let's wait while it's loading to open on the terminal. Now we are on the terminal and we're about to cd into the bin file. Remember I said the bin file is where the program or the script that we use to launch Elasticsearch is stored. Now we cd into that file and we wait for it to load. Now we are in the bin file and we're about to run the elasticsearch.bat, which is the binary file that will help us launch the program. Then enter. So here it says there is no insufficient memory for the Java runtime environment to continue. So right now my PC is loaded with a lot of things, so I really have to do some cleanup. But this is the stage you get to, and if you don't have any issue with memory or any form of, if your PC is not filled up with a lot of things, then here you will see a program, you will see the program launched, and you will see at the topmost part of the output an HTTP URL that also gives you the port where you go to your browser and you use the port 9200 to open the Elasticsearch JSON file. So this JSON file will contain Elasticsearch information like the cluster name and other details that comes along with the Elasticsearch. And that's it. Your Elasticsearch is ready to be used on your PC. And that's it. We have come to the end of today's lesson. So today you have been able to learn how to install Elasticsearch, how to run Elasticsearch on your PC, and you are simply ready to use Elasticsearch for data analysis, data indexing, and so many other things we are going to be using Elasticsearch to do. So thank you, and we'll see you in the lesson 3. Bye bye.